Hey everyone! Today we have a 10-minute Gua Sha full face routine. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your face, wash your hands and your Gua Sha. Start with lymphatic drainage by tapping your Gua Sha on the collarbones area for 10 seconds. Then move to the sides of your neck and start to slide downwards from your ears to the bottom of your neck. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. Then, with this size of your Gua Sha, move to the double chin area and start to slide with your Gua Sha smoothly downwards for 10 times. Next exercise is for jawline sculpting. With this size of your Gua Sha, move from the chin towards your ears. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. This move will reduce the double chin area and help to sculpt the jawline. It will also reduce jaw and masseter muscle tension. Finish by going down on the sides of your neck to open the lymph nodes. Next move is jowls lifting. Move from your chin to the sides of your nose upwards slowly and smoothly for 10 times on each side. This move will lift the sagging jowls and work on the mouth muscles. It will also lift the lip corners and reduce smile lines and marionette lines. Next move is for lip muscles. Start to move around your lips slowly with your Gua Sha. Keep doing this for 5 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise. This exercise is so effective to reduce any wrinkles in the mouth area, especially barcode lines over the lips. Next move is cheeks lifting. With this size of your Gua Sha, move upwards from the smile lines area towards your ears. Slide smoothly and slowly for 10 times on each side. This move will lift the cheeks and sculpt them. It will also reduce smile lines and lift the lip corners. Next is nose massage. Keep massaging and moving to the sides over your nose for 10 times on each side. This move is so effective to reduce nose puffiness, especially in the mornings. Next exercise is smile lines unfolding. Start to massage on the smile lines area and unfold any wrinkles in here. Keep doing this for 20 seconds. At the end, lift upwards on your face and finish it on the lymph nodes that are located in this area. Next move is for under eyes. Start to slide over your cheekbones, upwards and outwards towards your temples. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. Don't go too close to the under eye area. This move will boost blood circulation and improve collagen production. As a result, it will help with the glowing skin and it will reduce dark circles under the eyes and any puffiness that may appear in the mornings. It's also effective to reduce eye bags. Next move is for hooded eyes and depuffing the eyes. Slide under your brows for 10 times on each eye. At the end, keep massaging for 10 seconds on your temples to open the lymph nodes. With doing this move, you will slide any toxins in the eye area outwards to the lymph nodes. And when it's in the lymph nodes, it will start to go out of the face through lymphatic drainage system. Next move is for frown lines. Start to move upwards on your forehead for 10 times. This move will reduce any tension in the brow muscles and forehead muscles as well. At the end, vibrate for a couple of seconds on your scalp. Next move is for forehead and brows. Start to lift over your brows and on your forehead for 30 seconds on each brow. Keep doing this move slowly and smoothly and focus on lifting the forehead and brows. This move will not only lift eyes and brows, but it will reduce any wrinkles, especially horizontal wrinkles on the forehead area. It will also reduce brow muscles and forehead muscles tension as well. Lastly, we finish this routine with lymphatic drainage. Start over your forehead and slide outwards and come to your temples. Keep massaging for 10 seconds on your temples, then come downwards to your ears and keep massaging for 10 more seconds. Then slide on the sides of your neck for 10 seconds and move downwards. Then repeat the same thing for the other side as well. Lymphatic drainage will help the face to detoxify and reduce any puffiness and tension in the muscles. It will reduce the stagnant fluid and detoxify the skin. Lastly, start to vibrate on your collarbones for 30 seconds to open the lymph nodes here. This was it for today's easy Gua Sha tutorial. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye!